Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using a couple pieces of this bunny garland I got from Dollar Tree. I removed the little tails from them, and then I'm spraying that paper side with water, adding paper towel down on it and spraying it a little bit more and letting that set for about 10 minutes, and then using my plastic blade to scrape that paper off. I then go back over it with my micro sander and sand those down. Next, I'm taking some light spackling and filling in those holes. I do both sides, and then I use my heat tool to dry that and sand those down. And then paint them entirely with mineral color chalk paint, and that is by Waverly. And then after I have those painted fully and they're dry, I'm taking that same mineral color and mixing it with a small amount of black paint and using the handle end of the paintbrush, dipping it in that paint and making dots on what will be the front of the bunnies. Dry that completely, and then use my micro sander and go around the edges and give it a bit of distressing. Next, I'm taking this off-white cotton fabric that I got from Walmart, and I'm just tearing a very small strip of that and tying it around the necks of the bunnies. I add a small amount of hot glue to keep those nice and tight and in place, and trim up those tails and add a little button. And then I'm taking these wooden candle holders I got from Hobby Lobby. I'm adding some hot glue in the tops, adding a standard size bead that Dollar Tree carries, and then a dowel that I have. It's the same size as the bamboo skewers, and placing that in the bead and then in the candle holder. I add a small amount of hot glue above that first bead, place on another one, and then do the same thing. So 3 beads on one, and then 2 beads on the other. And then use my Fisker shears to trim those down a little bit. And paint both of those with Plaster color chalk paint, which is also by Waverly. After those are done and dry, I realized that they're a little bit too tall, so I trim them up a little bit more. Add hot glue to the dowel and then place on the bunnies. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.